Hey guys, it's Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
You guys know Justine. I'll be putting her links down below. Go subscribe, show her some love. I had to have her over today for tea. We're having some peppermint tea.
We are.
And trying a bunch of different candy, if you haven't guessed.
So this is crazy. I know it's really hard to believe, but I have never seen a single Harry Potter movie. I've seen
Not
part of
one.
What I want to do is I want to have an entire marathon and watch them all just back to back, like a binge watch session.
Yes, we need to do this. I've been trying to talk her into this, and it's so funny because I feel like you know a lot about Harry Potter lore just from how much I talk about it and how many activities we do.
Yeah.
Justine has been to both Harry Potter worlds.
I have.
The one in
Florida
and the one
here.
here. I've been trying to gently influence her to get interested in Harry Potter, and this is just another one of my ploys to have you eat a bunch of yummy little treats. Also, I should note that some of these treats you can only get at Hogsmeade at Harry Potter World.
Oh, so you have to actually go.
Yeah, I went to Hogsmeade to get these for you, Justine. I hope you like them. We're gonna start off with the classic chocolate frog. So I'm gonna let you open it. And look at this box. It's so iconic. Looks just like the movie. I'm getting all the feels. Okay, I'll let you open it, okay? Oh, he's wrapped.
Now you said it before we were talking about this. Is he hop out of the box or something in the
Yeah,
movie?
he like moves, he comes alive and he hops out of the box and he hops out the window, I think.
Okay, good. Oh, look.
But,
Wait, sorry, I just skipped past the frog.
girl, that's right.
What's this?
Collectible trading cards. Like in the movie, each little chocolate frog comes with a collectible. Like baseball cards, but in the wizard world, they have famous wizards. Who'd we get? Who'd we get?
Gryffindor.
The founder of Gryffindor.
I need to get all of these and just do flashcards. I could learn.
Okay,
All right,
let's,
well,
I think it's just a hunk of chocolate. I mean, this is a very large frog.
There you go, you can have the other
It was a
way.
little smaller in the movie.
That's a pretty big, that's a lot of chocolate.
That's solid milk chocolate.
Let's cut into him.
Yeah, let's do it. Here, put him down, cut him open. See if there's anything in there.
We'll cut him this way. We'll cut him like a long way.
Okay, let me move my tape.
You should probably move your whole body.
Yeah, you got it, girl. Oh, that's solid.
Wow, he is super solid.
This is a frog you could share with friends. This is a lot of chocolate.
This is a family-sized frog.
The next candy is a little bit more rare. Now these are blood pops. So you can find these at Honeyduke's, which is like a little sweet shop. These were referenced in Prisoner of Azkaban, and they were trying to cheer up Harry. Harry was feeling down, so Ron and Hermione were at Honeyduke's, and he was like, what about getting blood pop? And she's like, oh no, I think those are like for vampires.
I'm okay with that.
So I thought we'd give it a go.
I think we should. And it says they're strawberry flavored, so I don't think it's real blood.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Did you want me to cut it for you?
Maybe I got this one. Well, oh, I got it.
Oh no, it's
Oh,
double
it's
wrapped.
double wrapped, so I may need your help now.
Okay, here, I'll cut you up
Okay,
first.
okay. Justine is good with a knife. Look at her go, look at her. Does it smell like strawberry?
It smells like plastic.
All right, let's taste them.
Tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, it tastes like a
Yeah, this is
strawberry.
good.
Maybe I am a vampire.
I like that.
Because I like these. Next dessert, we're gonna have another treat that Harry Potter got on the Hogwarts Express. That's the train. It's like a little cauldron cake. It's so cute. Okay, so it's right there.
There it
yes.
is.
And the cauldron is not edible, but there's a cake inside, kind of like a mug cake. The little frosting, it looks like fire. It looks like there's little like fire coming out of our cauldron. Okay, this is really cool. So this cauldron is reusable, you guys. You can rebake little cakes on here, and there's a recipe at the bottom of the box.
I was about to cut through this thing.
Okay, you got a little fork?
Yes.
And we've got to take a little bite.
Oh, it looks chocolate.
Oh, it's chocolate.
Oh, get in there.
It's chocolate.
Oh! Put that back on.
There we go. We got this. Okay, let's try. Oh, that's a good chocolate cake.
Oh, I like it a lot.
All right, let's do another one. I'm so excited. The next treat is also a sweet that Harry got on the trolley on the Hogwarts Express. They eat a lot of candy on this train ride.
It seems like it.
It's a long train ride, and Ron lets him know that these beans taste like everything. Literally everything. It could be chocolate or peppermint or liver.
Ew.
Or boogies. We don't know what
no.
we're gonna get. This is basically like Bean Boozled, but like extreme, because Whoa!
We ain't got time for that. Oh, let's try this one.
Okay. Oh, let me try one.
This one was good.
Oh, this is terrible. Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh my god. Look at this. What's red with spots on it?
Liver?
I might have eaten an earthworm.
You might have.
Oh, it was gross. And you know what? It tastes like dirt.
Oh God.
It tastes like dirt. I got an earthworm.
Wait, I want to try earthworm. This is probably it, right?
Oh, that looks like it.
Okay, I don't
It's
want,
real
I'm
earthy.
scared.
It's gross. Oh, I think this is an
Oh! Oh God!
That's it?
It tastes like dirt.
What's these ones? Okay, so I've never seen a gray jelly bean with black on it.
Let's try it.
What are these? This just tastes like pepper. What's another one?
I'm trying to find sausage.
Ooh, let's
This
find
looks like sausage.
Yeah, let's try a sausage. Okay.
Oh!
That tastes like meat.
I just lost it. It fell somewhere. It fell on my body. That's not good.
No.
That's not good.
No. I love these, so I'm gonna put them in a little candy bowl.
All right, let's.
Oh, that will be perfect. And I'll tell people that they're Harry Potter beans, and you don't never know what you're gonna get.
Fizzing whizzbees.
Oh, fizzing whizzbees. Now this
this?
is interesting. Ron references these because he loves sweets, but also, fun fact, Albus Dumbledore, this is his password to his office in Order of the Phoenix. I don't know if anyone had tried these in the stories. I really can't remember. It's been a long time since I've read, so let's try it.
Okay.
Apparently when you eat these, you hover, like you float a little bit off the ground. I don't think that's gonna happen to us because we're not wizards. But
Maybe we are.
so it's supposed to be a sherbet ball, so maybe it will taste a little bit like sherbet.
Let's see.
Oh, they have little crunchies in there.
There are some crunchies. I like this a lot.
Mmm.
Oops.
Oh, these are yummy.
Oops. I can't get it back in my mouth. I'm floating!
We're definitely getting a sugar high, but it is not the kind that lifts you off the ground. But in your head, it does. Ooh, next treat, jelly slugs. This is a very popular treat in the wizarding world. They are sold both on the Hogwarts Express, on the little trolley, and at Honeyduke's. And Harry Potter overhears that they're sold out.
Is he sad about
We're
it?
very lucky to be
Okay,
having
good.
these because these are very popular.
All right.
Are they shaped like slugs?
I think so.
Ooh, I wonder what flavor they are. I hope
not
not
sure.
slug flavored.
Are you ready? Do you want to do the honors?
I've never had one of these. I'm getting really excited.
Do you want to do the honors of,
I
of
do.
the opening?
I
okay,
do.
okay.
I'm really excited about this. Okay.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! That looks so gross.
These are really gross. They look like little banana slugs.
They do, and like my dad, when we were younger, like we used to go out and help him in the garden.
And
every
he
time
was
I
he
would,
like this?
They look exactly like that. Oh gosh.
I wonder if they're different flavors.
Oh god,
Ooh.
it feels like I'm eating a real bug.
Very chewy, and the sweet is subtle.
Yeah, I would have expected more like a Starburst or something.
Yeah.
That type of a flavor.
Very subtle. Okay, I'll have to say, I'm surprised. I thought these were gonna be my favorite next to the chocolate frog. They're not. All right, so these are, Ron loves these. No surprise there. He loves sweets. And when you eat them, smoke comes out of your nose and like your ears.
Well, let's see what happens.
Okay, cool.
You know, this Ron guy, I'm just not so sure about him.
I think he likes all the sweets, so I'm not really sure like what's a bad sweet. And then, oh wait, there's supposed to be cinnamon flavored hard candy.
Like super cinnamon. You want to smell that?
Yeah. Oh, that smells good. That smells like the holidays.
It does.
I really think I'm gonna like these. Okay, let's try them. Oh, we gotta suck it. We gotta suck them. It's good.
What's an imp?
I don't know what an imp is.
I don't either. Let's look it up. What's an imp?
IMP.
For what are the amplifier? What's an amp?
It's a small, mischievous devil or spirit. Sprite.
Ooh.
Sprite. It's a sprite, not spirit.
These are kind of bad, boy. These are exploding bonbons. These are not allowed at Hogwarts. They're not allowed at school because they have exploding cocoa and coconut dynamite. Here, I'll get there.
All right.
Oh,
Well, you can just have that one.
okay.
I'm just gonna cut it just so we can get a nice inside look to see. It's white chocolate. Oh, I am excited about that.
You
So
said
look,
orange and pineapple flavor.
I'm very into this.
Let's see.
It's crunchy. Oh wow. This has just moved ahead of Lord of the Flies or whatever.
Whoa! Do we like them because they're really good? Because they are. Or do we like them because, like, you can't have them at school?
Maybe like a little of both.
Because, like, they're like a little forbidden.
Forbidden fruit.
Oh, Justine, here's my new animal. I
very
just
cute.
adopted. His name's Hedwig.
Ah! It's so great.
You know, because they can spin their heads all the way around. There we go.
I mean,
there
they
we
can
go.
turn their heads around, but I think they have to go back the other way. I don't think they can just keep turning.
Here, Justine, we've got a chocolate cauldron filled with fire whiskey. I'm gonna have you cut it open.
Okay.
And this is something that was given to Harry Potter. It had a little love potion in there, but Ron ate it.
Oh no, Ron!
Backfired. The fire whiskey backfired.
We don't
Go
know
for
what's
it.
gonna be in
Go
here.
for it. Oh, this is pretty neat.
I am so disappointed.
It's empty.
There's nothing in it. There's
It's
no
hollow.
whiskey. There's no magical toads.
There's no love potion,
There's no Ron.
no fire whiskey.
Let's just take a bite of it.
Yeah, I want
right?
to taste it.
I'll eat a half of it.
I'm gonna eat the marshmallow.
Oh gosh, crunchy.
Yeah, those little sprinkles on there. Not bad. I was hoping for more.
Too.
Ooh, these are sold at Honeydukes, and in the story, they are Ron's pet's, Scabber's favorite snack.
What's his pet?
It's a rat.
Oh.
I didn't know if rats could eat chocolate, but it seems like Ron loves sweets, and then all of even his animals love sweets.
It's clearly not a true story,
No,
right?
because they're wizards. They
Okay.
live in a magical world, so in this world, like, rats could eat chocolate. They're shaped like flies, so like,
I mean, they look like
look
they
at
might
them.
be old.
they're little flies.
Is this a vintage chocolate?
It's just solid chocolate.
Yeah.
And it's more fudgier. You
They're
weren't
really soft.
Oh, he's not into it.
He's a full belly.
He probably wants to eat Scabbers. Let's try some more chocolate. We just had the flies. So let's do the little peppermint toads.
I saw these when I was there and I almost bought them. So
You
I'm
were
so
telling me
excited.
that.
Yes, but I had just had butterbeer and I was like, oh, I don't need to have peppermint toads to go with the butterbeer. Now, is this from the movie too, or is this just candy?
Yeah, so on the first day of the holiday, Harry Potter sees Ron, and Ron had just had these, and he's kind of like rubbing his belly, so I don't know if they're like jumping around in his belly, or maybe he had too many. Because you know Ron, he's got that sweet tooth.
You know, I don't know
So he
Ron
might have had too many.
at all, but you guys know him.
But are you starting to feel like you know him?
I do. He's
Just
classic.
a little bit.
So these look like a darker chocolate, whereas the flies were like a softer kind of, you said it's like a fudge?
Ooh, I love dark chocolate.
Oh yeah, this is good.
So good. Oh, I
It's like
love
lightly
this.
peppermint and dark chocolate. This is good.
Yum.
We'll save those.
I love these.
I think I like Ron.
He grows on you. Okay, you gotta pick whatever one you want. Now these are the Dark Mark lollipops.
Okay, what's
Which
that
one do
mean?
you want to try?
I can do this one.
And the Dark Mark, you don't know this.
I don't know this.
But the bad guys, they got a mark like on their arm like a tattoo. Like
Okay.
this. Like if I rolled up my sleeve and I had the Dark Mark.
Oh, I've got pink mark from the previous videos making a mess.
So they make a lollipop version of it, and if you eat it, you get sick.
That's so entrepreneurial.
So you can find these at Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. That's their own little candy store.
I'm impressed.
All right, let's open these up.
This should be my first tattoo. I haven't even seen the film.
Oh, if you got that, I would get a matching one. And it would just be a joke because anybody would be like, bro, you know this is not you.
Mine smells like mine's green.
Oh, no! Let's taste.
Oh, definitely green apple. Oh yeah.
I don't know. The Dark Mark gets a thumbs up. Yummy.
Oh, I tried to do a thumbs up and
I don't actually know what these are. I just found these at Hogsmeade, so I just thought they were really cute and we could try them.
let's do it.
So these are caramel cobwebs.
They look like little wafers.
Ooh.
It smells like caramel.
It does. Oh, these smell
I'm
really
excited about
good.
this.
Let's do a bite.
Yeah, okay.
These are
Yeah.
good. I like how thin they are
I'll
too.
take
Just a
another
little,
bite.
just a little bit, you know.
This is good.
Our last treat are chocolate wands, and these are sold at Honeyduke's in the story. And they're just chocolate wands. All right, this makes me feel like I'm opening my wand. Dee-dee-doo, dee-dee-dee-doo.
I feel like if wands were to choose us, it would definitely be a chocolate one. Is yours? Oh, look, I think mine's dark chocolate.
They're different. You got dark chocolate. I got milk chocolate.
Do you like dark
they're
chocolate more?
different. Let's try both of them. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna teach you to spell first.
Okay, yes.
Expecto Patronum.
Expectum Patronum.
Expecto Patronum.
Expectum Patronum.
Nice job.
My wand's melting in my
Mine
fingers.
too. All right, let's take a bite.
Oh, solid,
Solid.
chocolate.
I thought it was gonna be hollow.
Me too. Wow.
My fingers are chocolatey.
You want to try mine?
Mm-hmm.
I want to try this one. I like this one better.
I like the dark chocolate.
Yeah, I like this milk chocolate.
We had the wrong ones.
We were chosen. We were mischosen.
Yeah. All right, that does it for all of the Harry Potter candy that I had to try today. A big thank you to Justine. Thank you for hanging out with me and eating all this sugar.
That feels so silly.
I'm gonna be putting her links down below, so go subscribe, go show her some love. And if you want to see any other funny videos, you can click up here. And then you say,
Oh, that's right,
or
I forgot.
Up here. You got it, you got it.
Okay, or up here.
Yeah, nice.
Aspectus click it.
Expectum Miss Clickamus.